A warm welcome everybody once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, a lot of random stuff. Normally I try to focus on one brand, on one diecast brand in my videos, but at the moment it's kind of hard to get your hands on anything in the stores in my area. So this is what I came up with in the last few days. And so I would say we go through this, and let's start with this guy here, the tuned Volkswagen Golf Mark 1. I think this is the second version. The first one was in white. Normally I don't buy these. I mean, it's no fantasy car, it's a tuned version, but I think this guy does look very cool, so let's get it out of its packaging and bring the camera down a little bit. So I think this guy does look very funny with the flames on the side, and here we got the Volkswagen logo, deco on the front, on the side, nothing in the back except this big exhaust pipe, yellow windows. Cool. Does roll perfectly. Let's go on with this one here, the standard card from Mario Kart. I think this is an older one, but I just found it recently. Yeah, I think, is there anyone who doesn't like Mario Kart? Let's park it, and we go on with 85 Honda City Turbo 2. This one in blue. To be honest, I don't know how many versions there are already out. I think I got this one in silver and in green and now in blue. Deco on the side, on the hood, nothing on the front and in the back. Like the wheels. I think it's a cool casting. Nice. Now we got 3 yellow ones. Let's start with this one here, the 99 Honda Civic Type R. I think the first version was in white, and I think this guy in this case is the Super, not this one, unfortunately. Does look cool with the red interior, the black rims. We got deco on the back. To be honest, I can't see what the license plate says. R? Does it say R? I don't know. So we got painted taillights, nice headlights, and the Honda badge on the hood. This one's a right-hand drive. Nice. Let's go on with this one, the Honda S2000. I think I got this one in a green version. Details on the back. Look at the license plate. It says R. Asada. Big Honda badge. Here on the side it says S2000. Nice deco on the front. We got this one here. I think the first version was in blue. And I think there's kind of an exclusive. So this is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. I think there's an exclusive that you can only get in the US. I think it's a Civic version. Not 100% sure. Yeah, I like the rims with this yellow circle. Nice deco on the back. Hot Wheels Mercedes-Benz on the license plate. Stripe on the hood. Nice deco on the front. But my personal highlight so far is this guy here, the Porsche 935. I already got the red version, which does look very cool, but I think this one in glossy black with this gold deco on, it just looks fantastic. I mean, this is a $1 or €1 model in my case. Reminds me of the John Player Special deco. I think this one just looks fantastic for a €1 car. Got the Porsche badge on the hood. These beautiful golden stripes. This big circle with the 70 on it. The big wing. Love the rims. I think they fit the car perfectly. So this guy really is beautiful. So now let's finish this up with two cars from Siku. So this is stuff that I buy when I can't find anything else. As I said in the beginning, it's kind of hard to get your hands on Hot Wheels, Mainlines, Premium, anything right now. So I thought, get me this one. I think this guy cost me €5. And it does look very good. In German police deco. Very, very nice front in my opinion, very detailed lensed headlights. I think they are, I guess they're part of the interior, I'm not really sure. This guy has rubber tires, no suspension, but I think we can open the tailgate. Really cool. So the only downside of these Siku cars, in my opinion, are the wheels or the rims. They are kind of generic. We will see that when I'll show you the next one. But I think all in all, for €5, a really cool car. with the light bar on it. Does look really good. Tailgate does close pretty well. Rolls fantastic. So I already got me this Siku Porsche, also in police livery. And as you can see, it's got the same rims, unfortunately. But in my opinion, two really cool police cars. So let's go on with this one here, the Bugatti Chiron. And as you can see, this guy has also the same wheels on it. And to be honest, I didn't buy this guy here in there's also a version, let's say a stock version. And yeah, what I don't like is this light bar and this plain red plastic piece. But I did like this Gendarmerie deco, and I think it's kind of funny that you get this. I don't know how much a Bugatti Chiron did cost at the end right now. I think around 3 million euros or something. And I think it's kind of funny to get this guy in a police deco, French police deco. These yellow warning stripes. The Bugatti logo on the grille. The light bar on the top. And for sure, this guy is opening parts. We can open the doors. So I think this guy is really cool. Yeah. Except this red plastic bar in the back, but I think it's a €5 model, and I think that's a fair price. And I think I would buy more of these cars from Siku if they didn't have these generic wheels. As you can see, this guy, the Chiron, they have all the same wheels on it, which in my opinion is a little bit unfortunate, but maybe that is why they are kind of cheap. So let's go on with this one here. Car from a Majorette, the metal series. So as the packaging is saying, this guy has a metal body and a metal base, and it comes with this metal box. So let's get this Toyota Celica GT Coupe out of its packaging. Here it is. So as you can see, it comes with this box. Let's first try if this guy does fit in with this plastic piece. Nope. Yeah, that's a little bit unfortunate, so you can just put the car in without the plastic protection. So as you can see, this Majorette lettering, this is not damaged. This is how it's supposed to be, this worn out look. And here is the car. Details on the back, on the front, on the side, on the hood. And it's, the doors do open very smoothly, and We do have a metal base, which is very cool. Normally these Majorette cars have a plastic base. Normally they come with a suspension, and so does this guy here. And it rolls pretty well. So to be honest, I just bought this guy because I think this whole series, in my opinion, is not the most beautiful series on earth. But I have to say, for €5, this is a really cool deal. Metal body, metal base, opening parts, and you get this this box here too. A lot of details. I would say the only downside are these generic rims, but for €5, this, in my opinion, is a very cool deal. So, yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and when you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.